Hey guys! There's someone walking by! Oh my gosh, she's going into the car beside me. I have to put this away. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like a come thrift with me sort of video. I really like watching videos that all have to do with thrifting. I think that they're just super fun and I just like thrifting, so that's probably why I like watching those videos. So I thought that I would put together a video for you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm outside of the first place that I'm gonna go in, so hopefully I find some goodies. Freaking cutest thing. I'm literally in heaven right now. Like, I might cry that I found this. This is kind of cute too. It's only $1.99. Sweating. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay guys, I am taking my shoes off to try on the couple pairs of jeans I picked out. Why did I wear Converse? I don't know. They make trying things on so difficult, but it's fine. Oh. Okay, so this is one little, I guess, outfit I put together, but this top, which I actually think is really cute, and it's like $1. And then these jeans, they aren't the comfiest, but other than that, like, I actually really like them, so I might get them, but I don't know. They're only literally $5, so this is how I would like style it too, with a knot and then like with the sleeves rolled too. I don't know, what should I do? Should I buy them both? Okay, next outfit. Okay, so I have the same top on, but these are the second pair of jeans that I saw, and they're super weird. They like curve out, and I don't know how I don't know how I feel about that. These are just really not flattering. I wanted to really like them because $5 Calvin Klein jeans, I mean, and they're really comfortable. They just like fit so weird. Like, I know I won't wear these if I get them. Okay, this is the set that I saw that I really liked. I didn't actually realize it was like a set until I like got in here. But yeah, I don't really like the set, or I don't know, it's not terrible, but I probably would never wear this together. So I'm gonna try the top on just with like a pair of jeans and see if I like that. Okay, this is the top with my jeans, and I don't hate it. Well, I really like the top. I just don't like it with this type of jean, like with this color jean, I guess. But I think I have jeans that it'll look really good with, so it's $10 because I have to get it as a set. So it's like I'm paying $10 for this top. So is it worth it? That's the question. That is the question. Here's this top. I love this color. I don't know why, but I've been like obsessing with yellow lately for some reason. So I was just drawn to this. But I probably wouldn't wear it like out like this, but maybe if I like tucked it in, I think. Okay, that looks like bad. Obviously I would like make it look cuter than this, but I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. I just love this color. It is so cute to me. Okay, this is the last top. Well, the last, no, yeah, it's not the last thing, it's the last top. And it's also yellow, very similar color. I think that's like a little stain right there, so I don't even know if you can see that little dot, but it looks like a stain to me, so. And I don't remember how much this is, so I guess we'll see, but like I think it's pretty cute. Okay, now this is like the last official thing that I had to try on, and it's just like this white jacket. I don't know what these types of jackets are called, but I've randomly kind of started thinking that they were cute. And white, like how was I even able to find this nice of a white? It's literally so cheap and I'm digging it. I'm digging this a lot. So I just got done, and I don't know how well you are gonna be able to hear me talking in like the changing room and actually like in the whole place itself, because there was a speaker that was really staticky, so that was an issue. And then when I was in the changing room, people were just laughing and having a good time, which I'm so happy about. I'm glad they were having a good time, but you might be able to hear it in the changing room because it was just like right there beside me. At least it felt really loud, so sorry about that in advance. And I was actually going to go to another place to do a little bit more of to do a little bit more of shopping, but I actually had to pick my brother up from school, which I was actually late for, so I'm sorry, Dawson. And my brothers are over there. They did not want to be on camera at all. So we're gonna go get food and then just go home. But I will let you guys know that I was really successful. I did buy most of the things I think I showed you in the changing room. So yeah, if seeing a haul of all of the things that I have thrifted, maybe that'll come in the future. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you always know when I post. And I think that's it. I will see you guys next time that I post.